Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install your LED light strip onto your TV, behind your TV itself. You don't really need any tools, you just need the LED light strip and enough sticky double-sided tape on the back of it for it to stick. It's very simple, you just have to find the right area to want to put it on. So I'll turn this off and I'll show you. So unplug it if you've got it plugged into somewhere. And hopefully I didn't lose that. And pretty much, let's see. So on my TV, I don't think I'll have enough room to put it on this part because this part's here. Yours might be better, like yours might not have that there, but let's just see. Also, this is very hard to do with one hand. So pretty much, oh, I will have room here. Look at this. I will actually have room to put it on this part. And you pretty much just stick it there. Right, like that. But since it's just me, I have to go all the way up. But you don't actually have to stick it there, you can stick it anywhere really. So where I was gonna stick it is up further. I was gonna stick it up. I was gonna stick mine just on here. Because you need a whole flat surface, you can't do it anywhere else. So pretty much, I'm going to stick it on this part up here. But I don't have enough sticky stuff on it. Like it's gonna just fall off. If you just got yours, it's gonna stay. But yeah, so if you can see, this is where mine will be. And mine's only a very short LED strip. And then you just plug this back in and then plug it into the back of the TV into a USB port, and that's pretty much it. You don't need anything else here, like that's what it's gonna be like. And then plug it back in and turn it on. So simple. You don't need any tools or nothing. Just if you've already used your LED light strip, like you've already stuck it on something, you'll need more double-sided tape to have it stick again. But yeah, it's that simple.